Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice maker drain tube assembly in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Unthread the 7 screws securing the lower rear access panel using the Phillips head screwdriver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. If still intact, pull the old drain tube assembly down to remove. When installing the new ice maker drain tube assembly, be aware you may need to trim the length of the new drain tube to match the old one. Since you should trim the top of the tube, insert the bottom of the tube, where the small hole is, into the valve before trimming. Once the tube is trimmed, insert the top of the tube into the valve. Now align the tube on the retaining post and the valve on the drain spout. Reinstall the access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first, then thread the screws to secure. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.